In this video, I'll show you how to share your screen on Google Meet in mobile. Sharing your screen on Google Meet from your phone is useful when you want to show a website, an app, a presentation, a photo, or anything else that is on your mobile screen. Google's official Meet help says screen sharing is supported in the Google Meet mobile app on both Android and iPhone or iPad, and the basic steps are very similar across both. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone and join the meeting you want to present in. Once you're inside the meeting, tap the screen to bring up the meeting controls. Then tap More, and after that, choose Share Screen. Google says you'll then see the option to Start Sharing. On some phones, you may also see a pop-up that says Present to Everyone. Before you confirm, pay attention to the audio option if it appears. Google says that in the Meet app, you can also choose to share your audio when you present your screen on mobile. That can be helpful if you are showing a video, app demo, or anything that includes sound. Google also notes that when audio is shared, noise cancellation might not be available. After you tap Start Sharing, your phone will begin showing your screen to everyone in the meeting. At that point, you can leave the Meet app and open the app, website, file, or content you want to show. Everything visible on your screen can be shared, so it's a good idea to close private notifications or unrelated apps before you begin. This is especially useful when you want to demonstrate steps inside another mobile app. If someone else is already presenting, Google says you can still start sharing your mobile screen, but their presentation will pause when yours begins. So, if you're in a group meeting, it's a good idea to let people know before you start presenting from your phone. When you're finished, go back to the Meet meeting screen and tap Stop Sharing, then confirm if needed. Google says this stops your presentation and returns the meeting to normal view. One more thing to remember is that screen sharing can sometimes be limited by host controls or organization settings. Google notes that hosts can turn screen sharing on or off for participants in some meetings, so if you don't see the option, it may not be a problem with your phone. So, the steps are simple. Join the meeting in the Google Meet app, tap the screen, open More, choose Share Screen, tap Start Sharing, and then use Stop Sharing when you are done. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.